Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can create basic 3D model using Blender. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my Blender application on my computer, and when the first time we open the Blender, the screen will look like this, and we'll get three scene right here. We'll get this cube and camera and also the light. But here, since we want to create 3D model, I'm just going to remove the camera. We can right click on the camera, and then we can click on delete. And for the light as well, I'm going to delete it because we don't need it. Okay, and as you can see, we have cube right here, and if you want to change the angle, you just need to go to the section and you can change the angle like this, and you can use this tool to move your cube and to rotate it as well. If you want to move it, you can click on this icon and you can move it to the right, to the left, like this. And if you want to rotate it, you can click on this transform icon, then you will be able to rotate the cube just like this. Okay, then if you want to change the size of the cube, you just need to press N on your keyboard, and this menu will appear on your screen. And here we can change the dimensions. I'm just going to change the size. We can go to this menu, click on the scene, and then here you will be able to change the scale and also the length. For the length, I'm just going to select the millimeters, and for the scale, I'm just going to change it to 0.01 like this. Okay, and I'm going to change the dimension. Alright, and if you want to add more object, you just need to go to the add, and then here you can add curve, surface, metal, or text, or grease pencil. But here I'm just going to add mesh, and I'm going to select cone. Okay, then we can go to this option, and here we'll be able to customize the dimension. I'm just going to add like this. For the depth, oops, sorry. Okay, and I'm going to move this cone right here above the cube. We can click on move, and I'm gonna move it right here. Okay, and now as you can see guys, that the 3D model has been created. Alright guys, and that's all the basic tutorial on how to create 3D model in Blender. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.